Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best deals on innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of LED strip lights, and I've got an incredible find for you. Introducing the DAYBETTER LED strip lights, the best cheap LED strip lights available in the market. Now, let's unpack what makes these LED strip lights stand out from the rest. First up, the Smart App and IR remote control functionality give you complete control over these lights. Whether you prefer to use your smartphone or the included remote, customization is at your fingertips. With 16 million colors to choose from in various modes like flashing, quick, jump, and fade, you can set the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Plus, with the ability to sync the lights to music, your parties will reach a whole new level of excitement. Now, you might be wondering, what sets DAYBETTER apart from other LED strip lights on the market? Well, besides its unbeatable price point, the quality and reliability of these lights are unmatched. Similar products may cost you an arm and a leg, but with DAYBETTER, you get premium features without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking to brighten up your space without burning a hole in your wallet, look no further than the DAYBETTER LED strip lights. Trust me, you won't find a better deal out there. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on must-have products. Until next time, happy shopping!